Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do something a little different. So I was on YouTube last night and I came across this video on how to make your own sugar wax. I'll go ahead and link that video down below as well so you can check it out. But I figured today I would try it. So I don't really like shaving my underarms. I prefer to wax them because I feel like it's a lot cleaner and it takes a little longer for the hair to grow back. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what you will need for this video. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice. I'm just going to squeeze these limes out. And then you're going to need half a cup of sugar. So you're going to mix those 3 together and you're going to put them in the microwave. I would say for about 3 minutes or so. I would check it every couple seconds. Eventually you'll end up with a paste looking like this. So it did take me a couple times to make this. I did try it 4 different times. And then finally I realized that what works best for me was a almost very light yellow color with a honey-like consistency. So next you're going to need some wooden sticks and alcohol, cotton balls. Next you're going to need some wax strips. So this is just an old cloth that I had lying around. I just cut it into little pieces. You're also going to need some powder. Baby powder is the most common. I actually don't have that. The only powder I have is my translucent powder for my makeup. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that. And then of course you're going to need your wax. And I just put mine in this pozole bowl. Mexican vibes. Also really quickly, I forgot to mention, you're going to need some type of oil. I'm going to use cuticle oil because that's the only oil that I have. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys on this underarm. I actually already started earlier. That's why it's has a little bit of residue. The first thing I'm going to do is prep my underarm. So I'm going to take some alcohol and then just clean the area. Then I'm going to take my powder and then just pat it where I put the alcohol. So I'm going to do mine in sections because everything grows in different directions. So what you want to do is look at the hair and then see which way your hair grows. So for example, these down here, they're growing down. So for the sugar wax, you want to put it against the hair growth and then wax it in the direction that your hair is growing, if that makes sense. So I'm going to take some wax. I'm actually going to start up here. So up here, it's kind of hard for me to tell which direction my hair is growing, but I think it's growing upwards, so I'm going to put the wax downwards. And then I'm going to take my wax strip and then make sure that you press it. I think it's growing up, so I'm going to pull it up. So when you are pulling off the strip, you want to make sure that you're holding your skin taut like I'm doing here. So, can you guys see that? So these are going this way, downward. So I'm going to go against the hair growth. Also, I am dipping back into my wax because that's just for my personal use. But if you were using this for someone else, I wouldn't double dip. Okay, so I put the wax going up, so now I'm going to pull the strip going down. Alright, not too shabby for it being my first time. Alright, so I'm going to try this spot one more time. So hair is going down, so I'm going to put the wax going against the hair. And now I'm going to put my strip on and I'm going to pull the strip going downward. So for the hair that's left over, you're just going to want to tweeze it out. So once you pluck out the remaining of the hairs, this is what it should look like. And then you want to take your cuticle oil, or this is just a cuticle cream. And this is going to help soothe the area and remove excess wax. And there you have it. That's how you wax your own underarms at home. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below and I will answer them as best as I can. If you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope this helped you out and I will see you guys in my next video.